Welcome to part 3 of a 6-part series where we'll be looking at how to use probably the most powerful dapp in the crypto ecosystem, Serum. In this episode, we'll cover using Serum on mobile and look at a range of mobile wallets where you can manage your funds and trade on Serum dexes. And we'll also cover how to move from Ethereum over to Serum and Solana by converting your ERC20 tokens to SPL tokens, the Solana standard, so you can trade and transact the fast and inexpensive way. So if you head over to the Serum Academy, you'll find a list of wallets that support Serum, and from this list there's currently 3 of them that are offering support on mobile. That's Coin98, Math Wallet and Easy DeFi. All of them are available on Google Play and from the App Store. Okay, so we've got these 3 mobile wallets available, SPL wallets. So let's look at Easy DeFi. So I've added the Sol already. You've got your address received there. If you want to add SPL tokens to the wallet, I'm not sure what a Serum is, by the way, on here. But say we wanted to add Serum, you're going to need the fee. So first of all, you need to move the Solana into the wallet to be able to add extra SPL tokens into the wallet. There isn't any way to trade on Serum Dex from this app, as far as I can tell. So, but it is a SPL wallet. Math Wallet, I've already put some Sol in here and added some Serum. The good thing about Math Wallet is if you click on dapps down here, when the first time you open the wallet, there you can claim your BONFIDA airdrop directly from the app, and you just pop in your address there, and then you can also access Serum Swap, the Dex, and various other dapps in the Serum ecosystem. And then Coin98, it's a similar setup, so you have a SPL wallet in here, and if you trade down here, you can trade those for other SPL tokens. LunaDex is coming soon, and you've got an ERC20 and SPL bridge, so you can move your tokens over from Ethereum and trade them on the Solana network, much cheaper and much faster. These are the mobile wallets that you have access to. To be honest with you, the best way to trade on mobile is just to go through your browser and trade directly on BONFIDA Dex. So the display fits the mobile quite well, and if you have an existing wallet, you can just pop that in, Solong or a Solflare. So I've already opened the wallet on here, so I'm just going to connect to the wallet that we've opened. Okay, and I've moved some Sol in already, but I haven't set any tokens up. So if you want to put new tokens in, so let's say you want to deposit some USDT, you click deposit, and you need to mint the SPL token address for that. So if you just click on the visit BONFIDA, it will take you over to your BONFIDA wallet. And here we can add token, and we're going to add USDT. Yeah, so you need to click the add button here. Right, that's done. So now you can see we've got USDT in the wallet. So from your wallet, just click receive, and then you'll get the address. You can just copy that. And we're going to move over to the FTX app. So we go wallet, withdraw, US Tether. Just paste that in. And then you just need your 2-factor authentication, and that's done. So that's on the way. So let's go back to the Dex. Okay, so we're going to buy some Serum with the dollars that we have, and we'll take that straight off the book. So we click market buy, approve that, transaction confirmed. There's the Serum we've bought. Just settle that. Then we've got Serum in the wallet, and the remainder of our USDT there. Right, so let's buy some Bitcoin with the remainder of the USDT we've got. And we'll mark it by that. Approve. Confirmed. So the final thing I'm going to go through here is solongwallet.com, where you can manage all your Solana assets and dapps and wallets that you might have all in one place. So this is a Chrome extension. So if you go over to Chrome Web Store, add to Chrome, it will bring it up in your browser up here. So if you just pin that, then it will just remain in the browser. It's really simple to use. You set a password up, and I can either create a wallet from Solong, or you can import your existing wallets. So say if you have some mobile wallets, you just need to bring in your 12-word seed phrase. So we're just going to use some of these demo wallets here just to show you how it works, and then you can add, say, a desktop wallet. And you can switch between which wallet you want to use. You can use this for swapping, for receiving, and for sending as you would any other wallet. You can also mint tokens on Solong, and we'll go through that in the next episode when we take a look at how to mint tokens and create markets. Unfortunately, ERC20 tokens are expensive to move around, and most centralized exchanges will be charging around $5 to withdraw them, with the exception being FTX, where there are no withdrawal fees for any tokens. Transacting on the Ethereum network can be ridiculously expensive, not to mention the time it can take if your transaction goes through at all. Fortunately, once you get them over to the Solana network, you'll be paying 1/1000th of a cent to trade, withdraw, convert, basically any general transaction you would like to make, with each transaction executing in a split second. One way to get around the high fees for moving ERC20 tokens is to convert your ERC20 tokens to USDT from your exchange, and then send the USDT as a TRC20 token over to FTX, where you can buy the tokens back and then send them over to your SPL wallet. Like I said, there are no withdrawal fees on FTX, but you will need to check whether FTX are trading that specific ERC20 token that you have, and that they have an option to withdraw it as an SPL token. If you have funds in your MetaMask wallet or some other Ethereum wallet, you can convert ERC20 tokens directly from your SPL wallet. And in this example, we're going to move some Ethereum over from MetaMask to a Solet wallet, where it will convert to wrapped ETH SPL token pegged to the price of Ethereum. So we'll just pop in our Solet password, and we need to add. So we've got wrapped ETH. Okay, so we select here, receive, and we are sending native ETH. So we connect to MetaMask. I've got that in the browser. And we're going to send all of that over. Okay, so we can't send that much because of the fees probably. So let's try that much. Alright, so the gas fees are actually quite low. So we'll confirm that. Right, great. That's actually not that bad for Ethereum. It was only 23p, so just a few thousand times more expensive and longer. Okay, so once we have our wrapped Ethereum in the wallet, we can go over to the DEX, connect to Solet wallet here, and we'll market sell that for USDT. Approve. Done. Yeah, and there's our wrapped USDT, the remainder of the Ethereum we have, and you can see the fees for adding the tokens, making the trade was 0.02, so a fraction of a cent. If you have an ERC20 token that is not on the popular token list, you can add it via the ERC20 token tab here. So you'll need to put in the ERC20 contract address. So for an example, we're going to use Augur. This is the V2 token. So you just need this address here, the contract address. You pop that in there, add, and now it will create an address for that. So now you can just use this address from your MetaMask account or exchange, and that will deposit the Rep V2 into your SPL wallet wrapped. So again, you'll be able to trade that on the DEX fast and inexpensively. Okay, that's about it. There is so much happening in Serum, it's difficult to keep up with it. But if you are interested in following the development of the project or getting involved, head over to the Discord channel, follow on Twitter, Medium and Telegram, and keep an eye on Sam Bankman-Fried's Twitter page where he regularly posts Serum updates and news. You'll find parts 1 and 2 of this series on this channel, and more content where we look at specific projects building on Serum, such as BONFIDA, that are providing excellent tools and analytics for crypto traders. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if so, please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and if you hit the notification bell when the next video is ready, it will come straight to you. Thanks for watching.